We are live. Thank you so much for everyone who are tuning us right now and who will be tuning this video later. Well, just want to welcome to each and every one of you. Today is another episode of A Journey with Marie Online Business 101. And just for those who are new to my page and who are, following me for how many years now that I've been in this business? For more than 2 years now. I just want to say thank you to each and one of you from the bottom of my heart for continuously supporting me and loving me, not unfriending me. So today, guys, just want to let you know that I have this beautiful Filipina mom beside me. Oh no, not here, over there, beside me. That I'm going to. She is going to share her journey and her success in this global digital business. And guys, yeah, I just want to mention that for those who are following me, we are doing this live interview once a week on my business page with a hope, and a goal that maybe I can inspire you, or perhaps I can give you some motivation and, something to give value to you, that if you are a person like me and this beautiful mom out beside me, if you're the person who's looking for another solution to have more income or supplementary income, or buy you more time to be with your family, like our usual wise here in this business. So we are doing this live video once a week, or sometimes I can go crazy. I'm doing this twice a week. Yeah,
Wow.
twice a week. And so, yeah, without further ado, I just want to introduce to you this beautiful woman. Her name is Louisville. She's also originally from the Philippines and currently living here in Edmonton, Canada. And she's a mom of two beautiful kids. And she's also, a successful digital business owner, a coach, and a mentor. Let's hear more about her success story and journey. Louisville, I will give the floor to you now. How are
Thanks.
you?
Thanks, Marie.
You're
Happy to
welcome.
be here.
Loville, before we start, just want to let you know I am so grateful for giving me your precious time. I know you're busy. You have two small kids. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for being part of my show. Thank you, sis.
Welcome, welcome.
Sis, yeah.
Yes.
Can you give us? Well, I gave them some of your introduction, but can you give us a little bit more about yourself, sis?
Okay, okay. Hi, everyone. I'm Louville. I'm based here in Alberta, Canada. I'm a stay-at-home mom to two kids. I have a 2-year-old girl and a
Wow.
4-year-old boy, so one each.
Oh my goodness.
My husband works as a web developer, and we're originally from the Philippines, as Marie has mentioned, and we migrated here in Canada relatively new, just in 2017. Yeah. So
Wow.
in the Philippines, I used to work in a regional development bank providing
Mhm.
admin and technical assistance. When we got here in Canada, 2017, my son was just 1 year old. And I don't know, maybe because it took us quite a while before we got
Mhm.
pregnant. We tried several OB/GYNs,
Mhm.
fertility workups, several failed IUIs. We practically tried everything except IVF. And when the doctors were already pushing us for IVF, we decided, let's take a break. And that's when God decided to bless us with a baby. Naturally.
Amen.
Yes. So when we got here in 2017, he's 1 year old. Leaving him in a daycare or with a sitter in a new
Mhm.
country where we don't know
Exactly. I feel
anyone, we don't
you.
have
Yeah.
relatives here. So it didn't sit quite well with us. So we
Mhm.
agreed, my husband and I agreed that I would stay at home with him while my husband, his name is Vince, while my
Hi,
husband
Vince.
works. He's with the kids right now. So I would stay at home with the kids while he works a full time job. But
Mhm.
inside, I knew I'm going to be back working once my
Mhm.
son is more independent.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so that was my thinking.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And sis, it's amazing because like for most of the Filipinos like us, right? Or parents like us, one of my push as well is when I gave birth to my third son, and then knowing that I have a child with unique needs as well. And that gave me really a push as well. Like, okay, wait, how can I do this? Like, you know how it feels like you have a small kid, then you have another two older kids to take care of, and that really make me think like, wait, I don't think that this is going to be possible, right? Like, for us moms, and we want to contribute something financially for our I
True.
mean, to the family, right?
Yes.
And I feel guilty, sis, Louvel. Do you feel
True.
the same way? Do you feel the same way?
Yes, yes. There's this, like, you wanted to focus on your family, but you also want to help out your husband financially. And wait, how do you reconcile both? So
Exactly.
that's a dilemma.
And sis Louvel, how did you find out this business?
Actually, so 2017 we got
Mm-hmm.
here. I have a 1 year old, and then in 2019 I gave birth to our second.
Oh,
So God
wow.
blessed us with a little girl. So my plans of resuming my career would have to be set aside again
Exactly,
because
I
I have a
know.
newborn. So while it's an ideal setup that I'm at home with the kids while Vince works a full-time job, it's not helpful to us financially. And
Mm-hmm.
and at the back of my mind, I have fears like, what if he gets laid off? What if his company shuts down? What would happen to us? We don't have relatives here. So
Exactly.
it's really very risky to be a single income household with a growing family in a new country.
I feel
We
you.
felt, yeah, we felt the urgency to look for another income stream. But if I push my husband to look for another job, it would be, well, physically taxing for him because he would extend his hours, and then it would take time away from our family. He
Exactly,
he
yeah,
might
for
not see the
sure.
kids anymore. Yes, and it might interfere with his full-time job. So we tried looking for another income stream that wouldn't do that. It won't interfere with his full-time job. It won't take time away from family, and something I could do while I'm with kids. I actually considered trying virtual assistant.
Oh, wow.
Yes, but then I realized I would need to clock in hours. I would still need to clock in hours. But with a newborn and a
A
toddler,
babe, yes, exactly, who runs
yes,
around the house.
exactly. And paid help is very expensive, right? And because I didn't
So
work
true.
prior to
Mhm.
my pregnancy, I don't have maternity benefits. So that's
And
that's the
and yeah,
dilemma.
sis Louvi, let me like, I mean, because we're global here, right? So let me just tell our viewers here who are from different part of the, different part of other than Canada. Well, we are enjoying our maternity leave. Government is paying us for 1 full year of
Yes.
maternity leave because I experienced that. But guys, you have to make sure that you have accumulated enough hours and you have paid for a maternity leave payment that you have to, in the government in order for you to have a benefit of that. So, like what Sis Louisville
So
is
I didn't
talking
have
about,
that.
yeah, if you don't have maternity leave, then you
Oh,
will not be able to receive the benefit of maternity leave in Canada.
yes,
So, oh my goodness,
exactly.
I feel so. Sis,
So and
so
and aside from that, Vince was new in his with his work, new in his company.
oh,
So he doesn't have paternity benefits too.
oh my goodness,
Yes,
yeah.
he just took a leave for a week, I think, a week or 2 weeks, and then back to work. So it's just me and the two
The two
kids at
kids.
home.
Oh my god,
Yeah. Well,
that
we
is
don't have a choice because he has to earn. I
exactly.
don't have a source of income. So
Yeah, oh
we
my
tried,
goodness.
yeah, so we tried looking for another income stream, how to make
Mhm.
it work for us here. I mean, since I'm an immigrant and most of my relatives and friends are in the Philippines or anywhere in the world, I am often in my phone connecting with them through social media. So I saw in my news feeds a digital entrepreneur who seems to be having the time of his life. So I got
Wow.
curious. I literally stalked him online. I just checked,
Wow.
and I was amazed that he gets to earn while enjoying time with his family, spending his hours as he please. And I want that too. Who wouldn't want that?
Who wouldn't
But
want that? Yes, is
yes,
Louisville.
but my concerns then were, is it legit? Because I
Exactly.
wouldn't want to compromise our residency status for something illegal. We're not yet
Exactly.
citizens.
Mm-hmm.
And will there be selling or recruiting involved? Because I can't do that. Let's just say it's not my personality and I don't have the network for that because we're new here. So
Exactly.
we are establishing new relationships. So I don't want to put anyone in an awkward position by pushing something or selling something.
Exactly. Yeah.
So I asked them what is it about? What's the business about? He assured us it's all legit. There's no selling, recruiting involved. But I didn't stop there
Mm-hmm.
because I was naturally curious. So I still
Well,
stalked him. I did
well,
my
Sis
due
Louie, sorry to interrupt
diligence.
you, right? Isn't
Yes,
it like what you mentioned? Thank you for letting us know. You did your due diligence and you really
yes,
stalked that person, right? And I
yes.
think, in Canada as well, because we are here in Canada, we have to make sure that anything that we will be involved with, we have to make sure that it's legit and,
Of course, of course.
yeah, right? So, Sis Loville, sorry to. So, what made you decide to join the business through him after you
Well,
saw or after you saw the advertisement?
after that, after my chat with him, we were led to watch a free workshop. It's 90 minutes long. I watched it. I was just a month postpartum. So
Oh,
and yes,
wow.
and my CS incision wasn't even healed yet.
I'm cesarean section too.
Yes. And because I have a newborn and a toddler, I watched it in installments. Literally, like
Mm,
15 minutes now and then 20 minutes,
I
30 minutes
know.
until I finished the whole workshop. A month after, we dived in and started our own
Wow.
digital business. I was actually the one who was skeptic about it. I was skeptic, but my husband was on board right away. On board day one, he's
Oh,
in.
wow, that's
Yeah,
amazing. Because
I
I just want to
know.
share my part. My husband is the one who is very skeptical about this business, is Louisville. Because to be honest with you, well, from my previous interview as well, I tried to venture, like moms, we have this feeling of, I just don't want to stay at home. I want to contribute, financially to my husband. I
Yes,
want to
yes.
help my husband. I want to help my family back home. I want to send money to my parents. But then, like I'm kind of thinking, like, how will I be able to do that? So my husband, he's very skeptical because I tried lots of other traditional businesses.
Wow.
Yeah, I
This
tried.
first.
Oh, okay, that's nice. So, see, guys, just want to let you know, Sis Louisville here, this is her first time to try or venture herself into working or into business. And this
Yeah, in
time,
any
what he, oh,
business.
see, and she even tried rather working in the online space
Mhm.
because, for many, maybe it's very vague for them to realize, like, okay, hang on for a while. Online digital business. This is online, very, very vague to understand. So, Sis Louisville, coming from that question,
Yes.
what you saw in this business that made you really decide to, okay, I'm going, I'm going on board.
Well, after watching the 90-minute workshop, I saw several people in the panel, ordinary
Mm-hmm.
people just like me, and I can
Uh-huh.
relate to them. So I said, why not? Why not try it? They are claiming they are nothing special, they're ordinary, but they followed this program and it proved true for them. It really changed their life. So I said, why not give it a shot? I mean, I won't be going anywhere because I have a newborn and a toddler. I can't go out of the house to earn an income. So might as well try it out. I mean, go out of my comfort zone and give it a try. And actually, it was my husband. As I've said, he was on board from day
Oh,
one. I was hesitant because I was thinking, I can't do it. I haven't adjusted to the schedule at home. I have no help here. I can't. I can't do it.
you
I
are
was telling him,
inspiring, Sis
no,
Louisville. Very
no.
inspiring.
So I told him no, but he said, if we won't start now. When are we gonna give it a try? When are we gonna do something to change our life? Like
Exactly. And look at
so.
you. My goodness. Look at you.
So
So,
that
how many
was
years now that you've been staying at home?
since 2017.
Yay!
18, 19, 20, 21, 4 years, but 2 years as a mompreneur.
Wow,
Mompreneur.
I'm so proud of you, Sis Lovell. You are really
so,
inspiring.
so we started, I was just 2 months postpartum when we started the business. It has been an amazing journey so far. Yes, it's not without bumps, but all things considered, it's very rewarding because it has allowed us, both Vince and I, to be more hands-on with our kids.
Oh, that's so awesome. See, guys, Sis Louville here is a really an amazing and a very amazing example and very inspiring mom because see, postpartum, she did the business and right now, you know what, guys? Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to tell you and look at her story, listen to her, how she was able to run this business with two small kids and she's been not working for what? More than 2 years now, right, Sis
Yes,
Louville?
yes.
Amazing. Sis Loville, we will not mention any numbers because you know we are not allowed to mention any numbers. But so far, what are your greatest blessings or achievements, both personal and professional, financially wise also? So can you tell us, you know, not I know we will not end if you will tell me everything, but the major the major things that has changed in your life so far.
Well, I mean, in general, I would call it our biggest blessing that this business
Amen.
has been a lifesaver. Because remember, I was talking earlier about
Yeah.
my fears of my husband getting laid off, blah, blah, and I don't have income. You know what? It came true.
Oh my
he was,
goodness.
we started the business June 2019. He was
Mm-hmm.
laid off in October or November 2019. So around
Oh,
5 months into the business, but because our business was already picking up and providing us with regular income, it really cushioned the blow. He was he was not in any rush to find a job right away because we're getting income. And we were
exactly.
still able to enjoy our Christmas holidays. And he
Oh,
even took
wow.
upgrading classes online during that time. And then when he found work again, he lost it again in March 2020 because of the
Because of
pandemic.
pandemic.
Yes. So, and since then, since he lost his job March 2020, our business has been our primary income source.
Amen. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's really a blessing. See, I don't know. I believe for us who took a leap of faith, right, or who took the
Yes.
courage to get out of our comfort zone, we will really never know what's gonna happen, right, far and beyond, if
True.
you will never try. Because same like Mrs. Loville, you know what, how I felt like when I gave birth to my boy, to my third son, and then I have a child with unique needs, and like I am thinking too, like okay, the income that we are making from our profession is not enough to
Yeah.
fulfill those big dreams, though it's giving us sustenance in order for us to pay the mortgage and bills, but somehow I came to the point where I asked myself, that because I barely see my kids, my husband and I,
Oh,
we barely see each other, and then I came to the point as well, Sis Loville, that I'm not happy because whenever whenever I see my kids, they're already sleeping on bed. And then when my husband comes home and I was like, oh my God, like because we are doing shifting here too, and that's our
yeah.
life in Canada because we have nobody to here, right?
True.
So yeah. So anyway,
Yeah.
oh
And
my
if I may
goodness.
add,
Mm-hmm.
before starting the business, we were seriously dipping into our settlement funds. When you got here, you have money from the
Mm-hmm.
Philippines.
Uh-huh.
But because of this business, we were able to increase it slowly. We were also able to help out in the community. And well, I don't want to leverage on the material things, especially because we are in Filipino very kuripot or frugal. And we are not after branded or signature things.
No, I'm not too. Yeah.
We are more of function over fashion people. But we were able to upgrade our vehicle from a compact car to a minivan, because
Yay!
with two car seats, we could really use the space and we are loving it. But but really more than the financial rewards, it's really the time we get to enjoy this season in parenthood
Wow.
when the kids are still in their formative years.
Exactly.
I know they're not going to be young forever, and soon they would demand more
Exactly.
independence from us. So we want to enjoy it, the
While you
full
still
package.
can. Yeah,
Yes,
for
yes,
sure.
true, true. So
Yeah.
it's all thanks to this business.
Oh wow, I'm so happy for you, Sis Loville. That's so amazing. Thank you for sharing that to us. And I think there are many moms out there, especially right, or parents, okay, and
Yeah.
many moms, because like me and you, Sis Loville, we are we any special kind of people or parents? We are not, right? I mean, we're just
Mm,
regular moms. We are regular parents or individuals who are just who just tried something
yes.
that we thought might work, and it worked because we have the right system. And of course, you know what, Sis Loville, can you just share with me a little bit what are the things that you love now that you joined the business, now that you have known the community? What are the things or what are the aspects of our business that you love the most?
Oh, first would be automation.
Yeah.
Really, it's not because it's automated. I can do my chores at home, and I can be a mom. Like I can be a mom to my kids and just let the business run in the background. And I would get surprise emails, and I would get paychecks in the mail.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really the
Right.
automation. It helped me a lot.
Yeah, for me as well, the automation and of course the community. Guys, just want to let you know, Sis Louville, I haven't met her in person, but we've known
Yes.
each other in our community. And that's one of the best things that I love in our community. Actually, there are so many, but one of the best things is
Yes.
the system, is the community. Because, like, for example, what we're doing right now, Sis Louville, right? We are very proud to share to each and every one of you that this business, this system has worked to regular moms, the regular parents like us. And we are proud to share that this business might work for you as well. But see, Sis Louisville, isn't it, that we are not forcing anyone
Of
to
course.
to join the business.
Yes,
We are
of course.
right. We are here to share with you and watch the workshop. You can check Louisville's website or my website and then see it for yourself. It's a 90-minute, right? Sis Loville is a 90
Yes.
minutes long workshop. And that will give you, how we do the business, some tips and strategies, the pillars, how we run the business, and what made this business successful. And right now, Sis Loville, how proud we are because we are already almost 83,000 members of like-minded entrepreneurs.
Wow.
Yahoo!
Wow.
Sis Loville, I know I took so much of your time and I'm so grateful to you for giving your precious time. But for parting words, what are your advice that you can give to our viewers, to the moms out there, to the dads, or any individuals who are looking for something that can help them, to supplement their income, extra side
Um,
hustle?
I, I guess would be it's that I really believe that now is the best time to start your own business from home. The internet provides tons of options to explore. Use it. You can never be 100% ready to try something new. Like us, we
Absolutely,
weren't
yeah.
ready, but go try it. Try it anyway and adjust. Learn as you go. We get it. It's scary. It can be out of your comfort zone, but I think it's just a matter of finding the right business that would work for you, that fits your profile, and really focusing on your whys, your main reason for doing it. That's it. So
Oh,
find the
that's
right business
so
model.
beautiful. Thank you so much, Sis Loville. I truly, truly appreciate.
Welcome.
Yeah, that's so true, guys. You know what? Like me and Sis Loville and so many parents out there in our community, we are individuals who really like, okay, let me try. And if this business will work for me, then thank God. But see,
Yes.
guys, like what
If
Sis
not,
Loville,
charge it to
yeah,
experience.
exactly.
You
Charge
learn
it.
something.
Exactly. And what's the good thing here, right, Sis Louisville? Um, like what you said, and like what I always keep on telling to myself as well. If your why is strong, so what are your whys? Your family, your
Yeah.
kids, you're able to help financially to your aging parents. Maybe it could be more time to pray or worship God, more time. Because let's be real, with the busy life that we have right now, we really running out of time and life is so short.
Mhm.
When are we going to enjoy this beautiful life, right? But see, guys, if your why is strong and you really wanted to change something in your life, you really got to try, right, Sis Loville? And
True,
you
true,
really
very
have to,
true.
yeah, to step out of your comfort zone and really find
This is
something
me
that,
stepping out of my comfort
yeah,
zone because, because we're not used to videos, to interviews, to this is me.
Exactly. You know what? Even for me, Sis Louisville, the 2018, before I start this business, really, I'm so shy because see, we are Filipinos. I'm not really fluent speaking in English. I
That's
might
true.
have some problem or maybe mispronunciation of words or the grammar. But see, I said, well, this is the real me. I will show the people that this is the real person. Like this is not also my comfort zone, but I'm stepping out of my comfort zone, and I'm so happy about
True.
it because it has changed us, like not just help us financially, but see our personal aspect, right? Well,
Yes,
this
yes.
Louisville, it's already 25 minutes of your wonderful, beautiful time, and I know your toddlers are running behind that big chair because my son
They're
is
with
like,
Vince. They're with Vince.
Vince, I just want to give shout out to you, okay? Huge shout out to Vince. Vince, thank you for being an amazing father. Sis Lavelle, thank you so much for having
Thank
this
you, Sis
precious time with
Marie.
me. And to all of the viewers who are watching us right now and who will be tuning in later, guys, this lady here is a real example of an ordinary woman who have an extraordinary dreams, a regular woman who stepped out of her comfort zone. But because of her why is so big, she made it possible. And so you can do it too. So have a wonderful weekend. Enjoy your time with your family. Stay safe. Take care of yourself and God bless you all. Thank you so much, Ba. And
Thanks,
wait, Sis Loville,
Marie.
before sorry, we have to give a huge shout out to our viewers.
Yes.
Nancy, thank you for tuning in. Sahabuddin, we have Doreen, we have Lou Jazad, we have Francia, Luz, Haji, Joy. Oh my goodness, you have lots of viewers, Sis Louisville.
Wow. Hi, hi,
Hi,
hi.
hi, hi, everyone. So, yeah, we just want to say again, thank you so much to all of you. And again, of course, from the bottom of my heart, Sis Louisville, thank you so much.
Thanks, Marie. Thank you
Yeah.
so
Okay, you
much.
have a great day, everyone. Enjoy the weekend. Bye.
Bye.